Want to download competitor video ads on Amazon? I'll show you how to do it in today's video. Okay, so here are some ads, right? So if you're just looking up like a crochet kit, you'll see like there's video ads when you go through and let's say you want to download it. Maybe you want to use it as a reference for something. And then you can just click this button and click download. To get this, what you're going to do is you're going to Google Video Downloader Professional Chrome extension. It's going to look like this little green dot right here. Let me do this. Once you Google it, then you're just going to click the first one and it should have this green arrow pointing down. You're just going to download that. And then literally, if you go to the video, you can just click the Chrome extension. And then you can even click play. You can actually play it just to triple check. And then there's a download button here. So it's a super quick, easy, fast way. If you were on, let's say, a competitor's page and you wanted to download their video again, or maybe even your own video, again, you can click on it and you click this little download thing, click play, and then bada bing, we can download it again. So super awesome tool that not a lot of people know about. Hey, but you can try it out. Downloading video ads can be a game changer for research. What's your favorite way to study the competition? Leave it in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.